Alright, according to the video I watched, to put the car in the wipers into maintenance mode, you turn the power on, then you turn it off, then you hold the wipers up until they stay up like that. So that worked. Now I'll set up the camera out there so I can change the wiper blades. Alright, so according to another video I watched, it should be pretty easy to change these wiper blades. So these are the new wiper blades here. I'm just going to put them down here. I just have to lift this up, and then hopefully you see that. Yeah, shoot, it's kind of out of view. Okay, so I just pulled the wiper blade up, so then I can pull it off of the hinge. Oh, I guess you have to spin it all the way over like this before it'll come up. So that's good. It doesn't come off until you spin it to a right angle. Then it'll come loose. So there's the old wiper blade. I'm changing them because they're hopping when they go across the windshield. And that doesn't happen all the time, but it is annoying that it does happen quite frequently. So I guess I'll put the old blades just behind the camera. Here's the new blade with the protector still on it. I'm going to slip it in like this. Yeah, there we go. And just rotate it so it's right, or it's vertical now. And then you can slip off the protective plastic piece here. Like that. And then put it back down. There. So I can replace them both. I'll do it in this video, but I actually only need the right one replaced because the left one still looks okay. So I'll just do it in the video and then I'll switch it back later when I turn the video off. Alright. So, doing the same thing here, lifting it up, bring it to a right angle, slip it off, put the new one on, rotate it back, and then slip off the protective plastic piece here, and put it back down. There you go. So that was pretty easy. Now I will just test them out. I'm just going to go in the car. Turn it on. So it's pretty nice. It's wiping without jumping, which is what the problem was before. And that's it. Pretty easy. You don't have to pay BMW to install them for you. They charge a lot for these wipers. So I'm gonna try the wipers out, and if they work out good, I'll make another video just to give some feedback on them. But installing them was pretty easy. So if you haven't done it before, give it a try. It's not hard. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up and leave a comment if you wish. And hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.